So when we click open, it should go to the next page. So let's create some other page over here called file name content.dart, and here let's import material dot and stful. Here let's add a content page, right? Here let's add the scaffold with wrapped with this widget save area, and let's save it. Okay, now let's navigate from this splash screen to here. So it must be here. On pressed, just use navigator dot of context dot push material page route context hyphen the class name. So there we gave a content page, so here also we gave the content page. Let's save this. So now let's click the open. It navigated to the new page. Okay,